Let's take a quick ride here today on the 15th of October 2021. Abrahaminkatu, Abrahaminkatu, 5 stickers A. In company Helsinki, of course, Finland. And this has two slides. Added later by Philips in 2007. And this number is 2072 and the capacity is 8 version or 2 grams with 9 stops. And this is the floor 1. There's A also.
Yeah.
So actually, there are how many? 11 stops. But if we go up to A, I thought one is the lowest one.
Oh yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Then we know it. But that was a bit confusing.
Yeah.
It's going to be inspected in 2023. It feels like a Swedish type of generic edition, but
yeah,
they're not. These buttons are not so Swedish.
yeah,
They feel more European.
yeah.
It feels like in Musikmuseet in Stockholm, Sweden, but
Yeah.
this staircase is beautiful.
Yeah,
They should have added with Coney here.
of course. This bit better than arms lift.
Yeah. It is still 14 years old now.
Yeah.
Actually, now I see. So there are A, B, C, D, E here
Yeah.
on that side, and 6 and there the numbers on this side.
Yeah.
That is also quite unusual.
Mm.
I haven't seen that. Yeah, I've seen, but not in a edition like this.
Yeah.
And then normally it's like floor number and then the letter.
Yeah.
And then of course it's normally not the alphabet like that. Normally it's just one letter.
Yeah.
M or V or something else.
Yeah.
Or sometimes even A I've seen, like in Hanskorttinen Turku 1986 before the replacement.
Yeah.
And this is a raw product.
Yeah.
And we have just built a very special 1993 C-Mac elevators. The additions and the triangle one is the best one.
Yeah.
Oh, there is nothing.
That's